Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn on lockdown mode on iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you want to turn on or enable lockdown mode on your iPhone, so let's see how can you easily do that. You just have to open your settings here. Very first, I recommend you have to make a software update. So go for general, go for software updates, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update. After doing that, you just have to go back and here go for the privacy and security option. And here scroll to the end and you'll find the option of lockdown mode. You must have to tap on that, then tap on turn on lockdown mode. Then scroll down and you'll find the option of turn on lockdown mode. So in this way you just have to tap on turn on and restart, and after that enter your iPhone passcode. Your phone will be restarted and your phone will be put on lockdown mode automatically. So just wait for your phone until it restarts. So after restarting, just open your phone or enter your iPhone passcode. Here you can see that lockdown mode has been successfully enabled on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.